This is how much God loved the world. He gave his Son, his one and only Son. And this is why, so that no one need be destroyed. By believing on him, anyone can have the whole and lasting life. God didn't go to all the trouble of sending his Son merely to point an accusing finger, telling the world how bad it was. He came to help put the world right. Anyone who trusts in him is acquitted. Anyone who refuses to trust in him has long been under the death sentence, without knowing it. And why? Because of that person's failure to believe in the one of a kind Son of God when introduced to him. This is the crisis we're in. God's light streamed into the world, but men and women everywhere ran for darkness. They went for darkness because they were not really interested in pleasing God. Everyone who makes practice of doing evil, addicted to denial and illusion, hates the God light and won't come near it, fearing painful exposure. But anyone working and living in truth and reality welcomes the God light so the work can be seen for the work, God work it is.